And hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to go through some tools we like to use to examine TCP connections or TCP connections in the network layer, not network layer, in the transport layer. So remember, TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Okay, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. So yeah. So how do we monitor TCP connections? That is the first thing. We use the tool called Netstat. Okay, the tool is called Netstat. Okay, there's a lot of things here. If it's in the command line, you just type Netstat, and you can see all the ports which are so-called open. For example, our local port here, 52634444734, so on and so forth. All of these are our TCP connections. And of course, the more web pages you open, the more TCP connections you establish, because there are more connections you need to talk to. There's more like time the program is talking back, and there are more events that the program is talking back and forth with whatever program is on the web. And then the second part is called active Unix domain sockets, which I don't think you may or may not want to use. I don't really care too much. I just want to show you the TCP port numbers and everything, all the IP addresses we are connected to, and what's the port. Here it says it's HTTPS port. So yeah, HTTPS actually will, I guess, map to a number, okay, to a port on their server. I don't know what server it is, but yeah, that is that. Okay, the other place that is good to look at TCP connections. Remember that there are always places to look at our acknowledgement messages, and of course data packets sent over TCP. So where do you look at it? Okay, again, we can look at Wireshark, which I have shown before. I can show you, for example, this is an acknowledgement sequence. Okay, so remember there's a few things here going on. One is the Ethernet protocol, one is IP protocol, internet protocol. So this is the data link at the network layer. Then you have the TCP part, where here we are just sending an acknowledgement message and nothing much else. So you can see that over here we have source port and destination port, which are part of the TCP header. Okay, and then remember I talked about a sequence number, right? A sequence number that you kind of need to keep track of. Over here there are two sequence numbers. One is apparently this raw sequence number and a relative sequence number. So I'm not going to talk too much about that, but just take note that these sequence numbers are used to keep track of the actual package that you're sending over. Then of course you have your acknowledgement number. Okay, ACK number, they call it, acknowledgement number. So this is what we all went through, and you can take a look over here. Here is the whole data packet. Here's the whole data packet that we are going through. All of them look like they're in hexadecimal notation. And yeah, that's it. We can stop looking. I mean, it's already there. Okay, so if you are interested, you can look at Wireshark, or you can use the Netstat to check out your TCP. Okay, so I'm not going to go through so much in detail because it may or may not be useful. It's just for your information. It's good to know. Okay, thanks for watching.